Hi there, and welcome to Tech Lighten Me. In this video, I want to show you how to prevent your monitors from turning off in Windows 11. It's actually really simple to stop your monitor from turning off automatically. Just follow these steps. Right, click on the Start button and select Power Options. It's going to open the Power Settings window in Windows 11. Now you'll have this Screen and Sleep option here. Just click on it to open the settings. You need to change this setting here that puts your screen to sleep. Just click on the drop-down menu and change it to Never. If you have a laptop, you might have another setting which is related to battery power. If you want, you can also change that setting to never put the monitor to sleep as well. Another thing you can do while you're here is to change the power mode setting to best performance. That should ensure that your computer also runs a bit faster in general. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.